Hey y'all, it's your boy Vantaxis here. I'm back with another video. I'm going to be using Rusk Anti Curl number 3 to do a straightening service on my client here. As you can see, her hair is completely natural. So the first step we're going to do is add our first product to step number 1. We're going to add that all over her hair. I wash and condition her hair prior to adding this product on. You have to make sure you add it onto clean hair before you get the service started. Alright, so now that I've gotten that product added to her new growth area, more closer to her roots, I'm going to comb it through. I'm going to start at the ends and then work my way up until I have the product comb through all of her hair. So now that I've gotten it all combed through, I'm going to be just working it in with my hands during the time it has to process. And remember, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So we finished that first step. We've gotten it all washed out. As you can see, it's coated her hair pretty good. Got some of the kinkiness at her roots. It's already kind of straightening a little bit. So because this client wants her hair extremely straight, or the straightest level that the anti-curl can get it, it's recommended to blow dry the hair and flat iron it in between the first and second step. So that's what I'm doing now. I added a little heat protectant before I started the blow dry process, as well as the flat ironing process, because I do want to make sure my client's hair is protected while I'm doing these heat services and chemical services. We're just going through and doing that flat iron between the two steps. So as you see, we've gotten it all flat ironed, and then we're going to move on to step number 2. Her hair is pretty straight at this step, but we're going to keep going to get it a little bit straighter. So now I'm adding to step number 2, and you're going to just spray this, use the nozzle and the spray bottle just to spray this on all the sections of her hair and work it through similarly like you did step number 1. This product is definitely an alternative to relaxing services. It does get your hair straight, but the straightening does not last. It's not a permanent straightening like it would be if you had a relaxer. After about 6 to 8 weeks, it'll start getting back kinky again. So we have that second step applied all over her hair, and now I'm just going to comb that step through as well. Now that her hair is a little bit straighter, I'm able to use the smaller teeth of the comb, so I'm using those just to get the product all throughout her hair. And now we're going to move on to the silk press. I'm adding just a little bit of cheese shine infusion oil before I get started. Start by blowing her out and then flat ironing her hair. you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So now we're just going to start flat ironing her hair. I did add another heat protecting spray, just some Cheese Shine Infusion spray, just to help keep her hair protected from the heat. Alright, so we got the finished product. As you can see, her hair is silky, it's shiny, it's nice and straight. I also cut my clients in so she can get a good start on growing her hair out. Hair looks great. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. I appreciate your view. I appreciate your support. Thanks. Bye.